this is the Be Minimalist Multi-Peptide Serum. I want to mention, we've got thank you cards going, so thank you to Taylor. We're getting it out in the mail. And then we had another winner from Spain who wants it sent to her friend in Miami, so I'm kind of jealous. She got a really good, lucky friend. And Miami's probably not negative 18 Fahrenheit right now either, so yeah. So they're on their way. Okay, so I'm going to do my real quick rapid review, and then I'll go into the details of each criteria. So first criteria for packaging, I gave them the thumbs up. Thumbs up for alcohol, thumbs up for fragrance, thumbs down for the manufacturing location, thumbs up for the ease of use, thumbs up for the beneficial ingredients, thumbs up for animal testing. Let's see, thumbs up for performance, thumbs up for the price, and then thumbs down for the it factor. Now I'll go into all of the details. Lincoln, come here. Come here. No, you don't want to say hi anymore? I guess he's fired for the day. I don't know. Okay, bye, Lincoln. Lincoln. Okay. I should just rename him because he hears his name and he just pretty much ignores it. And I'm just very thankful, though, that all you see is this, because literally everything I'm wearing today, nothing matches. I have 6 days of black pants, and then if I don't wash them fast enough, day 7 is purple pants or hot pink pants, and then it's really cold out, so now I've got khaki colored sweatpants over it. I've got green socks, then I've got blue shoes, black shirt, nothing matches. Once we get past day 6, I need to pick up a couple more pairs of black pants that match everything, because I'm not good at matching. Okay, so on to this product from this Be Minimalist brand, which is, I'll link to it below. So they say it's a rejuvenating collagen boosting serum boosted with peptides to restore youthfulness, resulting in younger, firmer looking skin. And I get it, it restores youthfulness for younger skin. That's kind of what most people want, unless you're young enough to not know aging, and you're young enough to not really care about sunscreen, and then, trust me, you will at some point, and if you listen to me, you'll thank me, and if you didn't listen to me, you'll be mad at yourself, or maybe you have a lot of money and you can just do a lot of filters and surgery. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, on to first criteria, which is packaging. We've got a dark dropper bottle, so no issues with that, although I still don't love dropper bottles, but they're here to stay, so whatever. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It also has no fragrance ingredients and has no real scent to it whatsoever. So no issues with that. We get to the manufacturing location. I'm kind of torn on this. It's made in India. And, you know, so I'm a little torn. Did some research on it. Actually, for like medications, prescriptions, things like that, and leave your thoughts below. I believe China's #1 and India's #2. However, I think there's really strict regulations and laws regarding the manufacturing of it. When it comes to manufacturing topical products in India, it doesn't seem like they have strong regulations on that. However, I know a lot of people will counter with, yeah, but all of our prescriptions products, a lot of them are made in India, and that is much more regulated. So I'm a little bit torn on that topic. I don't have a strong feeling, but overall, I guess I'd rather see this manufactured in the U.S. as opposed to India. That being said, if we're manufactured in the U.S., it might be way more expensive than it is, so it's pretty affordable. So, yeah, so curious about your thoughts. Certainly leave them below. Okay, ease of use. So it's got a really nice serum texture to it. Let's see. There we go. Couple drops. You can use this in morning or evening or both. Personally, if you're going to use it, I would prefer or recommend using it in your evening routine. It just fits in a little bit easier there, and then you don't have to worry about what else you apply it with. Certain peptides can be kind of fussy with certain acids and things like that. So, yeah, so a couple drops of it go a very long way. It's got that water-like texture. So they say 2 to 3 drops and then tap it onto your skin. You can certainly do that. Feels very nice on skin. Again, if you use a lot of other actives, maybe use this, let it soak in, and apply a neutral product in between that and the active. So yeah, so typically I think a lot of the time it might just determine the pH level of it. Like if it's a sorbic acid serum with a really low pH, there's some thought it might break the bonds of certain peptides. It's more common with copper peptides. So this, I think, you put a neutral product in between them, it probably won't be an issue. But I personally like to use these products in my evening routine. I just find it easier. In my morning routine, I like to focus on sunscreen and vitamin C. So no issues with that. So it fits in pretty nicely. Once it soaks in, it sets to a kind of a matte, natural finish that is non-tacky, but it does give skin a nice plumping effect right after you apply it. So that might be why some people would want to apply it in the daytime routine, because it does instantly plump up skin nicely. Okay, beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got 7% of the Matrixyl 3000 peptide duo, which is 2 different peptides. They're used together and they combined to form Matrixyl 3000. It's a peptide that reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by reducing the production of the signal molecule, excuse you, Lincoln, which promotes inflammation in skin. Jeez. Lincoln gets all fired up and yeah, anyway. Okay, so Matrixyl 3000 peptide duo. Great for reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by slowing inflammation in skin. And it also may help increase collagen production deep down in skin. We've got acetylglutamine, which is an amino acid with anti-aging benefits as well as helping with hydration for skin. We've got the epidermal growth factor, which is a peptide that stimulates cell growth, proliferation, and healing. We've got the insulin-like growth factor, which is another peptide that stimulates wound healing and cell proliferation. Basic fibroblast growth factor, peptide that's cell-stimulating protein, also helps with wound healing and collagen growth. Then we've got the vascular endothelial growth factor, which the manufacturer claims from the manufacturer that it has wound healing and supports fibroblast cell growth and nutrients and helps with cells for wound healing. Then we've got the acidic fibroblast growth factor. Not much research on this one yet. May help with collagen production in skin, but it's not terribly studied compared to some other peptides. Then we've got the Bacillus folic acid ferment filtrate, which is an antioxidant. And then last but not least, sodium hyaluronate, which is a humectant. So a nice list of peptides in here. Yeah, so no issues with that. They also have, well, a couple, yeah, nothing else too exciting. But so 10% peptides and then the growth factors, which are nice. And some of them are still pretty new as far as skincare goes. In terms of animal testing, so this is taking statements from the brand. They state that their products are cruelty-free and we do not use any animal-derived ingredients in our products. However, they would need to check the source for every single ingredient from all of their suppliers before they can claim to be vegan. So at this point, they're cruelty-free but not totally vegan. I assume they're going to go through and test all their suppliers, but that's probably would take some time. So that's what I've got for the most current up-to-date information. Okay, in terms of performance, so it's really nice for plumping up skin. Really nice. Feels so nice on skin. Hydrates. Makes skin feel really nice and smooth and soft, and I love that. And for what the product promises, it promises to support the activation of the cutaneous repair process, and in particular, at the level of fragile and UV damage-prone papillary dermis. 5 growth factors can have a synergistic effect on skin and helps in rejuvenation and cell revitalization. Also stimulates cell growth and promotes biosynthesis of collagen. I would agree that this may do most of those things, although to really test it, this needs 4 to 5 months of continual use to really say it works. Other than that, I can say it looks nice. It feels good on my skin, and after using it for a couple months, my skin certainly feels nice, but it needs 4 to 5 months, and a lot of those, it's probably hard to tell. If you don't have, if you're using a lot of other products in your routine, it's going to be hard to say for sure this is that, from that, especially with some of those growth factors being still new and not terribly studied. A lot of it comes from the manufacturers. So it may do some of those things. It certainly instantly makes my skin feel nice, which is good. I like that. So this product will work well for all skin types. For acne-prone skin, only Carbomer of note. Great for dry, sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin types, so very friendly for everybody. the price is really affordable. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and it retails for about $12. So it's really pretty affordable, which is nice. Then in terms of the it factor, it's a nice budget-friendly serum. I still, if somebody's going to ask me for a peptide product, I still come back to the ones from The Ordinary that I love. So some alternatives to this, and if price is the biggest factor, The Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum is great. The CosRx 6 Peptide Booster Serum is nice. And then for dupes or alternatives, we've got the Drunk Elephant Protini Resurf Serum, the Kate Somerville Biomimicking Peptide Serum, the Ebonel Hyaluronic Liposomal Peptide Serum, and the Dipology Matrixyl 3000 Collagen Peptide or Collagen Boosting Serum. So overall, with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one an 8. It's very nice, very affordable, and yeah, I've been enjoying using it. So definitely will finish it up. And after I finish it up, probably going back to The Ordinary. But I love this, so keep that in mind. I can't remember what price the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum is now. This might be still more affordable. So if you're on a budget, it's certainly worth a try. So anyway, interested in hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have, what your thoughts are, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.